going on, guys? We are here at the demo. See Brian right over here. He's going to be calling out everything. See all the people. I'm going to go ahead and start this. I'm not sure when he's starting, so we will have the camera on.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Thanks for coming to another demo.
Yay!
What a beautiful night we got for fireworks.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a daytime item. The first one is, well, I don't know, it might be number one on your list. Keller Smoke Wall. It's a Keller Smoke Tails Up the Crackling. Keller Smoke Wall. Number one, Jeremiah. Yellow, blue, green. Pretty good.
Nice
I
little
like
finale.
it.
Nice crack.
I don't know why we've never done the daytime smoke before the demo, but at least we did it this time.
Yes, sir.
There's a late dropper into the golden box. He's hoping he's going to win because he's on top. But he doesn't know we mix them up and he can end up on bottom. Okay, next up we'll do the Sky Lantern. This time we have the wonderful flag Sky Lantern in honor of our veterans.
Amen.
And our 250th anniversary of America.
Yeah. Go America.
How much fun is that?
See the Sky Lantern there, guys. I'll try to follow it up. There it goes.
Just don't get stuck in a tree.
Don't do it. Miss the tree.
Is it gonna make it?
Clear the tree.
Oh, glory.
Okay, while you're watching to see if the Sky Lantern makes it past the trees, oh, there it goes. We're going to have a ride-in. So number 2 is a ride-in, and it's the Pulse Pounder. It's not going to be number 2. It'll be number 1A, or just A, whatever you want. Pulse Pounder. Just write down Pulse Pounder.
Still up there, guys. We got it going.
Cruising.
Look at the flag go.
I think a happy child.
Nice light atmosphere. Down the flag with the Pulse Pounder.
Nice.
Long time, don't
I don't know about anybody else, but I got my pulse pounding.
Ah,
Okay, now we're gonna prize this.
right.
If we could have a beer from the audience.
Kid do it. Yeah, let the kid do it. Here, let's feel in
Shake
there.
them up. Shake them up good. Now, wait a minute. What's your name?
Titus,
This is Titus. Where are you from?
West Harrison.
Yeah.
He's from West Harrison, close by.
Yeah, Titus.
Neighborhood land. Very good. Do you like fireworks? So you just came for the free pop and chips.
I like fireworks.
He likes the fireworks. He's lying. He just came for the chips. Okay, we're gonna have Titus dip his hand in, Move them around. Close your eyes. Don't pick your parents' card. Unless maybe they're going to give you some money if you pick the card. And the first one out is Ron Moody. You got 5 seconds to report. 5, 4, 3, 2.
That was the one on the top.
Where'd I put that damn?
Thank you.
Nice
Okay,
one.
Titus, do you got enough energy to do that again and pull out another lucky winner? Okay, go ahead. And here we have Jason Bonhurt. Jason Bonhurt. If you're in the house, you got 5 seconds.
Oh,
there he is.
yellow groove.
First time I ever got anything with Thanks, thank you.
Okay, Titus, your parents aren't very happy with you so far. See what you can do this time.
Amy, Amy.
Mike Volhart. Mike Volhart.
There we go.
4, 3, 2. Okay, Titus, pay attention.
Everybody's watching like in awe.
We got Angela Walker.
Angela Walker.
Angela, are you in the house? There she
Hey.
is. She's walking. Look at that.
5 seconds.
Thank you.
Oh, big one.
5 more lucky winners, Titus.
Come on, Titus.
Come on, T.
Counting on you, buddy.
5 seconds. 5, 4.
You can look and get it on.
Jeff
I'll get it.
Pining.
I'm getting it.
Jeff Pining.
Oh, there he is.
Don't trip and fall. Are you Jeff? Can we see your ID, please? Thank you, Jeff. Okay, Titus. Jason Painter. Jason Painter.
Oh, subscribe.
5, 4, 3.
He looks like a painter. He's got a black cat shirt on. Coming up. I don't see any paint on your shirt there. Thank you, Jason. 3 more lucky ones to go. Art Werner. Art Werner. Is Art in the house?
Here he is.
You don't look like no Art. Uh-huh, sure. It's like your brother couldn't come for trick or treat and you gotta get.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot, Art. 2 more lucky ones. Titus. Come on.
Titus.
Get it. Dave Schlechtinger. Oh, that's a mistake. Dave Schlechtinger.
Right there. We got one more chance to win, Pyros. One more chance.
Take it to him, Titus.
Yeah. That's a good boy.
Special delivery by Titus. You owe Titus $1 now. No, it's not too late. Mix them up good. Mix them up. We just had a late entry. She's got one chance. See how lucky she is.
He's doing professional.
He's just like a Vanna White. Here we have Jim Humble. Jim Humble. Here he is,
Okay, sweetie.
slowly making his way. There goes Titus on the move. Look at
There he
him
is.
go. Twisting and turning. Okay, now. Let's see here. Okay, Titus.
See your price.
Thanks
For
for
working
helping.
good.
Good job, Titus.
Good job, Titus. Way to go. We got a birthday in the house.
Thank you.
A sweet 16 and never been kissed. Bethany. Happy birthday, Bethany.
Happy birthday.
Any other birthdays in the house?
Hey, shout out to Scott Miller who made our awesome firecracker art pieces. It is his birthday today.
Alrighty, we're ready to start. Here we go with number one, a little six-shotter from Miracle.
All right, guys.
Fearless Freedom, number one. Number two.
It's a little bright out, guys, but we'll switch to Pro Video soon.
Nice strobes. Nice strobes in that.
Okay, number three is Bada Bing, 12 in a pack, and they're on for $22.99. We're gonna shoot 4 of them.
Nice.
Bada Bing. Beautiful tails on the way up.
Nice.
Okay, a nice yellow and blue one there. Number 4, I pledge allegiance. Number 4, I pledge allegiance.
Oh, yeah.
Got a good little red, white, and blue here,
Very
guys.
nice color in it. Nice red, white, and blue. Next up, number 5 is kind of a mine deal. It's Happy Supreme, 49 shots. Number 5.
Birthday cake.
That'll make you happy. Next is number 6, New York Sunrise. And I just lowered the price. It's $9.99. On sale, $9.99. New York Sunrise, 10 shots.
Wow. Green and gold. Green and gold. Beautiful. So the darker look great.
Number 7 is Worm Out. If you got worms in, this will get them out. Number 7, Worm Out. 63 shots.
So mine's at the end of that.
Okay, that was Worm Out. Now we got Tiger Tail. For you Bengals fans out there. Tiger Tail.
Nice bushy tail.
Beautiful.
Bushy comet. Those are nice.
Next up is number 9, Camo Kaboom. 16 shots, Camo Kaboom from Sunwing.
Nice.
Number 10 is a little cake, puffer fish. Number 10, puffer fish.
Yep, a fish. Little fish.
How much is that? $10. Solid little cake for $10.
Nice cake. Number 12, chill in the fire. Whatever that means. Chill in the fire. Number 12.
Nice little mine's up. Nice little nishiki at the end.
Next up, number 13, Neon Mirage. Number 13, Neon Mirage. 15 shots. Number 14, So Sick. 22 shots.
As soon as it gets dark enough, we'll switch to pro mode, guys. Nice. Nice golden fish on that one. Okay. Nice little cake there.
Now hear this. Now hear this. We are shooting. Now hear this. Number 15.
Popcorn.
And number 16, Secret Stash. Number 16, Secret Stash. And I price on this one today, $19.99. 32 shots.
Nice.
Nice falling lead.
Next up is a new effect for this year, Skate Park Legends. It's a 30-shot cake. The first 10 go straight up, and then the last 20 go all at once. If you were right underneath the cake, you would see a nice circle, but we're not going to do that. Maybe Drew will see the circle. Number 17, Skate Park Legends.
Awesome.
Neat effect. Number 18, Skullbuster. It's a little bit bigger bore. 7 shots. Number 18, Skullbuster.
That's really gonna mess up my video.
And number 19 is Comrades. Number 19, Comrades. Number 20 is the beautiful old cake from Top Gun, Golden Glamour. Number 20, Golden Glamour. See, that one's got the flower and then the bees flying around the flower. Next up, number 21, Hectic. 21, Go Getter, 30 shots.
Oh, that light is killing me.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry guys, the light just came on and it is killing the video.
a beautiful minor set.
Nice.
Phoenix, 81 shots, report. Thunder Phoenix.
Oh, that light.
Well, by the way, Hectic is 18.
You're right.
Unusual to see that orange in there. Next up, number 23 is the gold sugar skull. There's 3 different sugar skulls. Number 23 is gold. These are 8-shotters. Next up, number 24, the blue sugar skull. 24. And number 25, green sugar skull. Great cakes for the price. Number 26, Nova Drift. 26, Nova Drift. 20 shots. Number 27 was the new one last year. Luck of the Irish.
Nice.
You can see we got one cake that started burning out there, so when you do your cakes, like leave them lay out in the yard overnight away from the house. Don't put them in the plastic garbage can and then drag it into your garage right away. Or, you know, better yet, if you got a bucket of water or a hose, pour them down. But just keep them away from the house and let them sit, we'll be fine. Next up is number 28, Iron Fist. 20 shots, number 28, Iron Fist. One of my favorites. Okay, now if you're hungry, how about a little flaming pizza? Number 29, flaming pizza.
Sorry, Pyros. We had to switch spots.
Landfood Burger. Landfood Burger. Number
Happy
30.
Burger.
And number 31, hot dog with mustard, not ketchup. 31, hot dog.
Big brakes on this one, guys. Beautiful.
That dog is hot. Number 32 for dessert, how about some killer donuts? 32, 16-shot killer donuts.
Nice.
And number 33, absolute power. 33, absolute power. up is a Windicake pool party. 32 shots. Not quite hot enough tonight, but it'll get there. Pool party.
Nice.
.35's an old favorite, Vampire Tears. And next up, another beautiful one, number 36, Lava Sky. 25 shots. Lava Sky.
Nice. Beautiful red and white on that one.
We can't tell you what the next one is, number 37.
Top secret, number 37.
Number 37. I heard somebody yelling, no, God, no. They probably don't like Bristol. You might want to hold your ears for the next one. Strategic Attack, number 38. Also the
Whistles
same
we gotta
as
follow.
Crazy Goose. Strategic Attack by Miracle.
Beautiful.
That was Strategic Attack. The next one, number 39, Bodacious, is a price reduction. It's $52.99 now. Save you a little bit of money so you can buy some meat or some gas. Okay, number 39, Bodacious. And number 40 is a new one from Top Gun. Space Combat. Number 40. 16 shots. Number 41 is Brave and Strong.
It's a good kick.
38 shots. Another Top Gun case. Brave and Strong, number 41. Like that orange, you don't see that too much. Number 42 is probably my new favorite cake between that and Grand Prize. Number 42, Bombing Spree. Willows and Falling Leaves. 25 shots. That was Bombing Spree. Now we're going on to Grand Prize, the Sunwing cake. 43 Grand Prize. Twenty shots. Number 44 is an old favorite, 12 shot, the Western Ranger. Big board cake, 44.
Beautiful.
And next up, number 45, The Godfather. 35 shots, The Godfather, miracle cake. And last up tonight is Yankee Doodle Dynamite, 688 shots. I want to thank everybody for coming. Be safe on the way home. Just bring your pens back inside the store. We'd appreciate it. Because if I have to buy more pens, I'm going to have to charge more for the fireworks. And thanks to Jeremiah and Drew out there, getting things set up. And thanks for coming. Yankee Doodle Dynamite. Great finale, kid. You have a great 4th.
All right, guys, that was the HP demo. Sorry I had to move around so much. A light came on and was really messing with my video. Thanks to Brian for having us out. We're gonna stick around, see if they need help cleaning up, and going back into the store and pick up a couple things. And yeah, that's it for now. Until next time. X Power out.